Oh no, our steering knuckle is broken. Well, this will give me an opportunity to show you how to repair a steering knuckle on a remote control car. First, we remove the wheel. With the wheel off, you can check your bearings. Next, undo the pins. You should have a pin on the top and a pin on the bottom. I only have one on the bottom because the top one broke off. Once you're done that, unscrew the ball joint. Remove the bearings and check if they're still good by holding the middle and rolling the outside. They should roll smoothly. Now get out your new knuckle. Make sure it's the same as the old one. This is a WR01 chassis. The knuckle is from a TL01B chassis. Then add some black grease. Now put the bearings back in. Then screw it back onto the ball joint. Make sure you have it right side up. Now get the stub axle out. We'll add a little rubber donut for a little bit of cushioning. Now we'll put the axle back on and put the knuckle back on the car. Next, we'll put the pins back in. Remember to do both the top and bottom pins. Next, we'll put the wheel back on. Slide the cross pin into the stub axle, and then put the hex on top of that, and then put the wheel over that. Then screw the wheel nut on, make sure it's tight, and you're done. Now I'll drive it down the stairs so I can make some more repair videos. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful.